Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are going to continue working with avoir expressions. In our previous lessons you learned how to say to be hot, avoir chaud, to be cold, avoir froid, to be hungry, avoir faim. In this lesson we are going to learn how to say to be thirsty. So how do you say to be thirsty in French? It's the expression avoir soif. Notice the pronunciation, soif, soif. Avoir soif. Remember that you need to know how to conjugate avoir in the present tense to be able to use avoir expressions in the present tense. And now that you know to be thirsty is avoir soif, let's apply what you've learned and practice with some of the forms. How would you say I am thirsty? Remember, don't translate literally. Don't use the verb être. Don't say je suis. So to say I am thirsty, remember you literally say I have thirst in French. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. You are thirsty using tu. You have thirst, literally. Tu as soif. Tu as soif. You are thirsty. Are you thirsty using tu? As-tu soif? As-tu soif? He is thirsty. Il a soif. She is thirsty. Elle a soif. Elle a soif. You are thirsty. Vous avez soif. Vous avez soif. Notice the liaison. Vous avez soif. Are you thirsty? Avez-vous soif? Avez-vous soif? That's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.